Hello everyone, this is Swapnil Kohli. Welcomes you all in my channel. Today we are going to study about Charles Dickens and his major novels. Charles Dickens is a Victorian age novel. So we will study about Charles Dickens and major important 10 novels we will study by chronology order step by step. First work is Pickwick Paper in 1837. Second work is The Adventure of Oliver Twist in 1838. Third work, The Old Curiosity Shop, 1841. Next, Barnaby Rudge, 1841. Dombey and Son, 1848. David Copperfield, 1850. Bleak House, 1853. Hard Times for These Times, 1854. The Tale of Two Cities, 1859. Great Expectations, 1861. And some major short stories and Christmas books also we will study. So let's see how much big this video is going to be. If it will be long, then I will create in short parts. Okay, so let's get to the Charles Dickens, 1812 to 1817. Okay, Charles Dickens, complete name is Charles John Hoffman Dickens, was an English writer and social critic. He created some of the world's best known fictional characters and is regarded by many as the greatest novelist of Victorian age. So he was from the Victorian age and he was the greatest novelist. Okay, so he adopted the pseudonym Bose. So if question arises that what was the pseudonym adopted by Charles Dickens, the answer will be Bose, B-O-Z. Okay, in his earlier writing career, in starting his earlier writing career, the name was Bose. He also traveled to America where he was a popular novelist. The Mystery of Edwin Drood was his last work before he died. So if if the question comes that what was the last work of Charles Dickens before he died, the answer will be The Mystery of Edwin Drood. It was left incomplete, and it was incomplete also. Themes such as arranged marriage, child cruelty, betrayal, deceit, and relations between people from different classes have been fully explored in his most famous work. So this was a little introduction of Charles Dickens, and as I said, we will read all the major work which are very important. I will tell you summary of all the major work. So let's come first important work for our exam paper point of view is Pickwick Papers 1837. First publication date is very important, 1837. What is the publication date? 1837. So do not forget that. So the posthumous paper of the Pickwick Club, also known as the Pickwick Paper, was Charles Dickens' first novel. So if they ask what was the name of Charles Dickens' first novel, the answer will be Pickwick Paper. Because of his success with Sketch by Boz, published in 1836, the question that can also ask friend in exam, now exam is asking in depth, so they can ask that when was the Charles Dickens published, Sketch by Boz was published. Okay, when was the Charles Dickens Sketch by Boz was published? So it was published in 1836. Dickens was asked by the publishers Chapman and Hall to supply descriptions to explain a series of comic Cockney sporting plates. This is the subject of this paper. Pickwick Paper subject is Cockney sporting plates. COCKNY, Cockney sporting plates, by illustrator Robert Seymour, and to connect them into a novel. So this was a comic and it was said by Chapman and Hall to Charles Dickens that you convert that Cockney Sporting Palettes comic to the novel. So, a series of Cockney Sporting Plates was illustrated by Robert Seymour became the source of this novel. The novel detailed the adventure of Samuel Pickwick, who is founder of the Pickwick Club. So if they ask in novel Pickwick Club, Pickwick paper, who is the founder of Pickwick Club? The answer will be Samuel Pickwick. Okay. The character of Sam Waller, who work in an inn, is an extremely witty and humorous character that became the prominent reason for Dickens' early success. Friend, the question can also arrive. Sam Waller, the character Sam Waller is arrived in which novel of Charles Dickens? The answer will be Pickwick Paper. What will be the answer? Pickwick Paper. Okay. Next, I hope you understand Pickwick Paper 1837. Next novel is The Adventure of Oliver Twist. So it was published in 1838 and the second novel of Charles Dickens. So if the question come to chronologize the order of work of Charles Dickens, so I will clear this also. First work, major work is Pickwick Paper. Second is The Adventure of Oliver Twist 1838. So let's see what is the about this is. Oliver Twist or the Parish Boys Progress. So what is the full name? Parish Boys Progress is Charles Dickens' second novel and was published as a serial from 1837 to 1839. Released as a 3-volume book in 1838 before the serialization ended. So before the serialization ended, it published in book in 1838. How many? They can also ask that The Adventure of Oliver Twist is published in dash volume. The answer will be 3 volume. Okay. The novel presents the journey of an orphaned boy who was born in workhouse where he was sold to an apprentice. He escaped and traveled to London where he is manipulated into theft by the gang member named Artful Dodger on the order of criminal named Fagin. So friend, what is their important? Artful Dodger name is important. Okay, the novel highlight the pathetic condition of London workhouse. So they can ask, name the novel of Charles Dickens which highlight the pathetic condition of London workhouse. The answer will be Adventure of Oliver Twist. This is referred to as Newgate novel. So they can also ask which novel of Charles Dickens is refers as Newgate novel. The answer will be Adventure of Oliver Twist 1838 and was written to criticize the 1834 poor law. So in London there was a poor law. So it was also criticized by this work, by this piece of work. So I hope you understand The Adventure of Oliver Twist. Friend, I have given a little summary to explain this, which is and the important point which are very important for our exam. So I think you understand Pickwick Paper. First work is Pickwick Paper 1837. Second work is The Adventure of Oliver Twist 1838. And the next work, The Old Curiosity Shop. Third work. Friend, third work is The Old Curiosity Shop 1841. When? 1841. The Old Curiosity Shop is one of 2 novels. So 2 novels was published together in 1841 and the other was Barnaby Rudge. Barnaby Rudge. B-A-R-N-A-B-Y. Barnaby R-U-D-G-E Rudge. After that we will study about Barnaby Rudge. First let's study that. The Old Curiosity Shop is one of 2 novels. The other bring the Barnaby Rudge, which Charles Dickens published along with the short stories in his weekly serial Master Humphrey's Clock from 1840 to 1841. It was so popular that New York readers stormed the wharf when the ship bearing the final installment arrived 1841. So when the final installment arrived 1841, the Old Curiosity Shop was printed in book form in 1841. The poet follows the life of little Nell Trent, Neil Trent, Nell Nell, Trent, Trent, and her grandfather. So they can ask, who is the main character of the Old Curiosity Shop? The answer will be Nell Trent. Okay. So, and where is the Old Curiosity Shop? So it is in London. Queen Victoria read the novel and find it quite interesting. So they can also ask which novel is written by Queen Victoria and find it quite interesting, and it was related to Nell Trent. So the answer will be Old Curiosity Shop in London, 1841. So next, Barnaby Rouge. We are talking about next. I said Barnaby Rouge, 1841. Subtitle as a tale of the Royds of 80. Friend, the subtitle is very important of this. First, they can also ask which two novels of Charles Dickens published together. So the two novels published together is Old Curiosity Shop 1841, Barnaby Rouge 1841. Okay. And this novel is Dickens' first historical novel. The question can also come, name the first historical novel of Charles Dickens. The answer will be Barnaby Rouge. Okay, 1841. It presents Barnaby Rouge, a simpleton who keep on traveling in a story along with the loquacious raven named Grip. Raven means crow. Okay. And they can also ask what was the name of raven in the Barnaby Rouge. The answer will be Grip. Grip. Grip inspired Edward. This is Edgar Allan Poe to write his most popular poem, The Raven. So they can also ask which character of the Charles Dickens inspired Edgar Allan Poe to write The Raven. The answer will be Grip. So fifth work is Dombey and Son. Dombey, Dombey and Son, 1848. When it is published in 1848. This novel presents the life of a shipping firm owner who is frustrated due to lack of male heir who could fill his shoe. Frustrated, he rejects his daughter's affection but is reconciled with her before death. It was serialized with illustration by Hubble Knight Brown. So friend, I should stop my video there because 5 work we have explained. In another video, we are going to analyze our other 5 work. David Copperfield, 1850, Bleak House, 1853, Hard Times for These Times, 1854, A Tale of Two Cities, 1859, and Great Acceptation, 1861, and major short stories. We will discuss other short stories and Christmas books written by Charles Dickens. So please do subscribe my channel and do comment about my work if you like it and you want PDF of it. You can text me on WhatsApp and even on Telegram, and you are not added in both of the platform with me, so you can comment. I will be give you there. Okay, I will be giving you by my number or my contact to add you in Telegram. Okay, please do subscribe and thank you. Have a nice time.